you can hear me. Because the mic is built into the mask. No wires below the mask. Everything is hidden, concealed. Looks genuine. If you want an audio amplifier built into your mask, this is the way. Microphone. Hidden wiring. Comes around the amp. 20-watt exciter.
I'm a Mandalorian. Weapons are part of my religion. You stay right here. You stay. Don't move. You understand? I can bring you in warm, or I can bring you in cold.
See the link in the description for the full video on how I did this. Like, subscribe, take care, I'm out.